This is a bittersweet moment for us. The reality that a lot of us have to come to terms with. Bitter because we have been robbed of the opportunity to see a better and brighter Zambia. Sweet because we know the journey is not over. Our president, Mr. Hakainde Hichilema, you have fought the fight and did all you could. But the winner is evident now and has been declared. To every beginning, there is an end. And to every end, a new beginning. To the President UPND, Mr. Hakainde Hichilema, this is the end of the race, yes, but the beginning of a new journey. 2016, only a year away. May the good Lord grant you the strength and the wisdom you need to carry on your fight. Your journey to lead Zambia to a better and brighter tomorrow. To the PF, may this year be a fruitful and productive one. You are the people's party. You have heard the people. So go ahead and change and improve the conditions. Hear our cries, not the cheers of the people. UPND supporters, let's remain calm and allow the PF to do the work they have promised to deliver. A wise man once said, you can never truly and fully appreciate something sweet until you have tasted something very bitter. An even wiser man established that to comprehend the sweetness of victory, you have to experience and feel the pain of loss. May this journey be a very sweet one for the newly elected president, because the nation is watching and waiting to taste the fruits of your work. Good luck. To our president, His Excellency Mr. Hakainde Hichilema, you have our support, now until the day we go to the polls to vote again in 2016. You are not walking alone, and we are going to fight and walk with you until that day next year, when you are elected 7th President of the Republic of Zambia.